tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last game. Akals versus the San Juan Integrated School para sa ating senior high basketball tournament division. Okay, sa mapagpalang gabi po sa inyo lahat at tayo dadako na sa last game. Sino kaya ang unang makakuha ng panalo sa senior high division? Akals versus the San Juan Integrated School. Let's go! First ball makukuha ng San Juan. First shot and the first basket by jersey number 28 para sa San Juan Integrated School. There's a foul. Number 2.
Foul number 2. First personal foul.
Okay lang to. Parang San Juan ballers galing yan. Oh, steal! Ay na, tumatakbo na ang San Juan Integrated. Nabitawan. Good.
Blue ball.
Muna po tayo. So kung gusto ito ba doon side, muna po po. Muna po daw.
Players na tayo.
Guys. Thank you, thank you.
Foul number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Arnaiz to number 6, no good. Rebound ng Akads. Number 3, spin. Take a shot, no good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Akads. Spin move. Oh! Basket count and one by jersey number 5 from Akads. That's Avila. First shot is good. Back. Change favor tayo. Lamang na ang Akads ng isa. Number 2, binigay sa corner. Pinasa gitna. Number 11, basket. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa San Juan. Arnaiz, and there's a foul.
Black foul number 2. Second personal foul. 4-2 foul. Warning. Penalty.
Agaman naman yun. Warning na for penalty. Arnaiz, may taka ng bola. Tinasa corner. Arnaiz. There's a foul.
3 seconds.
Oh, sorry. That's a 3 seconds violation. Villaflor. Number 3. Oh, magandang laban na to. Sa corner, 4-3, no good. Ayan na, hinahabol. Out of bounds. White ball. Kita mo yun, boy. Arnaiz, 4-3. No good. Nasa corner, libre sa 3. Short. Number 11 na bitawan.
Blue ball. Warning number 6 for the end of the game. 11. Correction.
Nice. Be the guy. Avila, floater. Wala. Rebound. Number 12. Avila, floater. Basket na naman. Balik ang kalamangan sa Akads. Ayan na. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 7. First personal foul.
Number 7.
First foul.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Number 3, shooting for 2. No good. Basket.
Subdivision.
Tabla tayo sa 5. 5 na ba? All 5?
5-5. Nakashoot siya ng isang.
Number 4. Stop and pump. Wala. From the corner. In and out. Number 21. Oh, blocked by number 30. Oh, rebound. Number 17. Steal. Number 22. Wala. Isa pa.
Foul number 4, first personal foul.
That's the 3. Yes, sir.
2 points.
Bubasan daw. Sabi ng ating referee, tabla tayo sa 7. Mukhang dikitan lang din ang labang to. Ayan na, using the board, wala. Rebound by number 7. Side step. Ooh, no good. Ayan na. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 13, first personal foul. Penalty.
Shooter in the line, jersey number 8. 8 ba o 0? Parang 0 ata. Basket. Second shot, 2 for 2. By jersey number 6. From the corner, wala. Rebound by number 21. Number 6, short. Gets the 3 short. Oh, yan na. There's a foul.
Foul number 17. First personal foul. Penalty.
Boss. No good. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds. Second shot is good. 10-7 tayo ang official score. Number 30 for 3, no good. Gets that 3 short. Ayan na, number 30. Steal by number 4. Number 4, wala.
Nice one, Red!
Running shot and there's a foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 3 seconds. No good. Second shot is good. Fisher score 10-8, down by 2. Number 6 for 3, no good. Number 17, guys sa loob, reverse layup, basket. Tabla tayo sa 10. Guys sa corner, floater, wala. Rebound by number 7. Ayan na, number 7. Oh, yes sir. Change favor, lamang na ang San Juan Integrated. Reverse layup, wala.
End of the first quarter.
Okay, end of the first quarter, official score 12-0. 12-10 in favor of the San Juan Integrated School. Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Jumper and there's a foul.
Foul number 26. First personal foul.
Shoot down the line, jersey numbers 7. Basket. Second shot, 2 for 2. Tabla tayo sa 12. Out of bounds.
Simo. Shot clock 14.
shot, short. Kick out, number 3. Uy, nakalusot si number 3. Sige, sa corner, fake. Drop pass, number 23. Wala. Nasa loob, alley-oop. Nice pass.
Nice pass by number 10.
By jersey number 10. Di binigo ang pasang yun. 16-12 lamang ang San Juan. Babawi sa 3. No good. Iba ng San Juan. Number 7. Binigay. Steal by number 11. Naka-recover and
Foul number 11. First person foul. Second, team foul.
still last.
Same ball. Shot clock 13.
Number 15 for 3. Yes, para sa 3. Basa isang alamangan ng San Juan Integrated. Number 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Number 3. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound ng San Juan. Uy, binigay. What an extra pass. Number 25. No good. Rebound ng Akads. Ay ng Akads. Guy. Number 15 for 3. Short. Ay na, number 25. Basket is in. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated School. Gets the 3, no good. Step back.
Calling a timeout.
Bayan, ano ba yan? Wait na, nagloko, wait na.
Get back with the next corner.
Bak mo na, bak mo na, bak mo na. Time out na tayo. Ano ba? Tama, 17-18. Tama. Oh, good. Dapat dito, pumala. Pare po kayo, po. Po guys, po.
Tayo po.
Gets that 3, no good. Oh, sub, let's go. Time remaining at 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Or extra 40. Running time po tayo. Bola dito ng puti. Gets that 3 short. Number 5. Steal. Number 7. Torabe. That's the 3. No good.
Who's firing? Foul number 6. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Traveling violation. Wala lang San Juan integrated. That's number 30 and 1. Basket count and 1 by number 30. Bonus shot para jersey number 30 for 3-point play. Basket is good. Malaki na ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated School. Arnaiz. Oh, bad pass. Steal ng San Juan. Ayan na. Dere-derecho. Basket for jersey number 7. 10 na ang kalamangan. Ayan na. Ang Akas, dere-derecho again. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 30.
I'm out!
Time out. San Juan.
Time out, San Juan. National ba? O integrated? San Juan National ba yun? San Juan National High School? Oo, national.
Sa JPO.
Senior. Ano ba yung kaninang kulay? Isa? Black, white din, di ba? Okay. Sorry. My bad. My bad po, San Juan National High School. Correction, this is not a San Juan Integrated. San Juan National High School po ang mga nakaputi. Ayan, shoutout kay Coach Emar Bogbales. Sabi niya ni Jeff Celo. Basket. Yes, the 3, no good. Pass number 30, wala. Gets the rebound and gets the shot. Steal. Derecho and 1. Basket count and 1 para sa San
Foul
Juan.
number 7. Second personal foul. First team foul.
That is Garce. Number 7, pass to Garce, basket. na naman. Libre-libre sa corner. Time out, Akads. With official score 35-18. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Akads.
Shout out, Joshua Kiling Mendoza.
Malamig na yung manok ko dito. Malamig na. What an extra pass, number 7. 37-19. Jump shot, short. Last 30 seconds.
Foul number 6, penalty. Number 6, third, personal foul.
Avila, the free throw area, wala.
Ganun ka pa. Ano ko ba yung box out?
Sumagot pare, Avila. 38-18. A correction. Wala.
End of the second quarter.
Alright, end of the second quarter, official score 37-20 at the half. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Tignan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Akads. Ano pre? Asa? Shoot. Ang dalawa na supporter mo.
Offensive foul. First foul.
Offensive foul para sa National High School. Bola rito ng Akads. Number 4, drop pass, block. Number 7, fade away shot, short. Steal. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 22. First foul.
Number 17, and there's a foul.
Foul number 4, substitution. Number 4, second personal foul. Shooting 2, Tolentino.
Tolentino shooting for 2. There's number 17, short. Number 17, wala. Step of the team. 3-4 by jersey number 4. Uy, nakatulan. Number 17, wala. Ibang by Arnaiz. Arnaiz. Oy, wala. Ay na, number 16. Whoa.
Table. Shot number 14.
Gets the 30, short. Bad pass. Number 3, pass to number 17. Back to number 3. Double the key for 3, short. Oh, there's a foul. Tolentino shooting for 2. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Tolentino. Time remaining 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Bad pass.
One ball. Shot 14.
That
foul.
So number 3. Uy. Kick out. 4-3. Wala. Out of bounds. Gets that 3. Wala. Uy, wala. Rebound. Makuha ng may foul lang itinawag.
Foul number 16. First personal foul. Shea Gapopi.
Number 4, there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 4.
Foul number 30.
Pwede.
Number 30. 3. Personal foul. Number 4. Shooting.
Pwede.
Foul number 17. Substitution.
Garce coming in.
Number 17. Second personal foul. Second Gapopi. Foul number 18. Correction number 16. Substitution. Number 16, second personal foul.
Kabila.
Avila, shooting. Relaxing, offense.
Wala. Still by number 7. Sa the glass basket.
Passing out, plus foul number 5, Warma. Second personal foul, substitution. Magino. Passing, Borussia. Running Malaysia.
Floor. Oh, still. By Arnaiz. Arnaiz. And there's a foul.
Foul number 2. Number 2. Santo Leocanan.
shooting for 2. First shot para kay Arnaiz. Basket. No good. Steal by Arnaiz. Steal by number 7. Ugarce. Villaflor, top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound ng San Juan. There's a foul and 1. And that's a 3-point by Garce.
Number 6, first personal foul.
For 3-point delay.
Raya Uloy, subdivision. Garce, Borussia.
Basket. Number 4, crossover, wala. Rebound by number 23, using the board. Basket. Para sa Akads. Villaflor, binigay sa corner. Pass to, numera sa 3. Out of bounds. Good. Pwede. Binigay sa loob. Pass number 8. Ooh, there's a foul.
Foul going. Second personal foul. Mendoza, shooting.
Mendoza shooting for 2. Time remaining, last 39 seconds sa ating third quarter. First shot para kay Mendoza, basket. 29-54 ang ating talaan. 2 for 2 para kay Mendoza. Last 34.
34 seconds.
Pwede. Oh, hindi ka na magawan. Pwede. Wala. Rebound. Kaya na ang San Juan National. Uy, drop pass. Number 28, no good. Nagagawan. Oh, there's a foul. Tamaan nata. Penalty. Time remaining. Last 6.7 seconds.
First foul.
Shooting on the line ni jersey number 21. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala. Last 6 seconds, makakatira pa ang Akads, no good. And that's the end of the third quarter. 54-30 in favor of the San Juan National High School. Kaya natin kung makakahabol dito ang Akads sa ating fourth and final quarter. Good luck!
Blue ball, blue.
Third quarter. Oy! Wala. Number 8. Miscommunication by Arnaiz and Huete. Nasa loob. Paso Arnaiz to Huete. Corner. Jump shot. Short. Jump shot. Too strong. Huete. Paso Arnaiz. Arnaiz. There's a foul. Shooting the line. Jersey number 3. Arnaiz.
Number 3, second personal foul. Arnaiz shooting two.
Basket. 2-4-2 para kay Arnaiz. Official score 56-32 po ang ating talaan. Number 7. There's a traveling violation. Bad pass. Number 7, binigay. Number 17 for 3, no good. Number 17, and there's a foul.
Pusi foul ng block. Number 4, Tartilo Kanan. Siakang Pusi.
Yes, the 3, wala. Number 25, no good.
Foul on number 22. Number 22, second personal foul. Substitution.
Shoutout kay Joma Insigne. Shoutout daw kay Love.
Substitution. Pinayaan ko yung studio natin.
Huete, shooting for 2. No good. Ah, technical pala. For improper uniform. That's the 3. 3 point by number 16. Timeout, Acads. Time remaining 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Good. Number 12. Wala pa rin. Number 4. Wala. Spin with and there's a foul.
Foul number 13, Ramiro. First foul.
Number 5. Avila. Villaflor. Yes, that's the 3. Wala. Ayan, uy. Villaflor, kick out, tinaas sa corner, gets the 3, wala. Rebound. Ramira sa 3, wala. Jump shot, no good. Time out. Time out. Time out, Acads. Time out. 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Second violation. Basket. 36-63. Gets a 3. Oh, there's a foul. At the free throw area, just in number 27. Time remaining, last 53 seconds. Basket, 2 for 2. Play ball. Uy, wala. Rebound by number 11. Out of bounds. Last 29 seconds. Bola ng San Juan National High School. Out of bounds.
32 seconds.
Last 22. Avila. Same ball. Last 16. Last 16.9 seconds. Kick out. Last corner. Gets the 3. Wala. Last 10 seconds. 9, 7. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations to our San Juan National High School. And a nice game para sa akin. Our final score 63-40. San Juan National High School get the first win para sa ating San Juan City Basketball Inter-Public School, the senior high division. Our best player of the game, jersey number 70, Garce J. Congratulations and nice game para sa Akads. Bounce back tayo sa next game. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at makita-kita po muli tayo sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Good night.